What is up, everybody? This is Jason once again with Flex Lawn Care Service, here to give you a video today about what you can do in the off season for lawn care. Now, here in Virginia right now, you can see by the trees and everything, we're actually in winter right now. It's February at the time that I've made this video, and January and February in particular are kind of known as months that, you know, if you're doing a lawn care business or like your off season or something like that, I can tell you personally that I have been getting lawn care every single month since I started this business back in September and started doing lawn care even in the summer. Now, you might not be doing actual lawn care. You might not actually be mowing lawns. You might not be edging stuff and planting seed and all of that stuff. And it's very easy to look at this as an off season. It is the off season, but that doesn't mean that it's impossible to find work. Now, what kind of work can you do? In January and February in particular, you can, there's still, if you're in an area that has trees like we have here in Virginia, there are always going to be like leaves on the ground, as you can see behind me. So there's always going to be a need to kind of move leaves around throughout the season. There's also, yesterday, for example, and you'll be seeing the video there shortly, I was actually prepping the outside shrubs and bushes and everything for houses that were going on for sale. So maybe one way that you can find business is talk to a realtor friend or somebody who's trying to sell a house and ask, you know, hey, do you need me to prep the outside of this house to make it look like it's able to sell? People still want some weeds taken care of. If you're able to provide tree service, people might want stump grinding. They might want trees maybe even taken down, branches cut back. Those are services you can provide as well. And then also February is right before the season, in my opinion, really kicks off, which is in March. So you can actually be talking to your current clients, your best clients, the people who you know will be needing lawn care. And you can say, hey, can I interest you in an upcoming whole season lawn care package? And you could, in theory, come up with packages that are good for them, where you discount some of the labor and stuff if they buy all of these services, and start getting ready your supplies, your plans for the season coming up. I currently have two whole season clients. Some of them want mowing, some of them want seeding, combinations of everything. But I'm taking this opportunity of not being busy all the time to build services and make sure I get some of my clients who I know will potentially be wanting whole season lawn care, because once the season kicks off, you're going to be getting more clients. You're going to be getting really into it, and you might not have the time to really get things ready, order supplies, all of that. You could also say, hey, do you need me to remove some stuff from your property? We have time for that now and everything. So I don't know. This is my first winter with my business, but I have not had any real lapse in lawn care. I've had less lawn care in terms of I've not been mowing things, I've not been seeding things as much, but I've been asked to do a plethora of lawn care outdoor services, and there's a lot that you can do that is needed year round. Removal of things, getting rid of things, shaping things up, weeding, leaf removal. Just be creative with that. See what you're able to do. Offer that service to clients, friends who you think need it. And that's a way to keep yourself busy all season long. Now, if lawn care is going to be your primary source of income, that might be different. But for me, it's a side hustle. So this is good enough work for me. Happy to have that. Happy to still have work to do. I'm actually every single week in February, I have one lawn job. I've had one lawn job at least. So that's some ideas that you can do in the off season. You can still definitely have work as a lawn care company in the winter months. Even in Virginia, I'm not super north, but I'm not super south. We still get cold days, winter. All the grass is hibernating or sleeping or not growing right now. And I'm not doing what I would be doing in the summer and spring. So consider those services during your off season. Also set up your clients for the upcoming season to make sure that, if they want whole season lawn care from your company, that they will, be ready and you'll be ready to serve them. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any opinions on this, please comment below. If you have any other questions, ideas for future videos, comment below as well. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. I'd love that. And more videos coming soon. All right, guys. See ya.